was pretty funny.
Film.
I am.
Okay. Oh my God. Sean didn't know whether to get mad.
My good one.
My stomach is hurting. Oh, fuck.
It's funny because it's gross. Oh, fuck, we like bugs, man.
It's like weird. I feel like we're doing this therapeutic thing. Get into the lake. Get rid of all of that.
By the way, you're all back.
Come here, I'll get the scissors.
Okay, I'm gonna turn it off.
Yeah, the bugs are starting to search our heads.
Yeah, they're starting to come out.
I think I turned it off.